Just have to say, what the fuck? I come across articles all the time that blow my mind, and this report on how to deflect the sun rays is not only disturbing but apocalyptic. The headline of a news article in CNBC reads like this: White House is pushing ahead research to cool the earth by reflecting back sunlight. All right, before I even read the article, I was disturbed by the headline. Cool the earth by reflecting back sunlight? Really? But wait till you hear about how they're going to do it. By the way, at first thought, I thought, wow, this is like a Star Trek episode where they put up a giant deflector in the sky. How cool is that? Of course, then I thought about all the things that could go wrong with that. But, it's still pretty cool. But no, that's not how they're going to do it. Are you ready with your gas mask in your basement? Because you're going to need it after you hear this one. One of the top ways to block the sun rays is spraying sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere. Yep, sulfur dioxide. Doctors and scientists, and of course people with common sense, feel that spraying sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere is known to have harmful effects on the environment and human health. But scientists and climate leaders who are concerned that humanity will overshoot its emissions targets say research is important to figure out how to best balance these risks against a possible catastrophic rise in Earth's temperature. Balance the risk? Seriously? By the way, when I did a search on what sulfur dioxide does to humans, I came up with these problems. Irritation of the skin, irritation of the eyes. Oh, and here's a doozy. Trouble breathing. By the way, here's where the ridiculous meets the insane. The scientists actually want to spray the sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere with planes. I know all you chemtrail conspiracy theorists are on the edge of your seat right now, but wait till you hear where this research came from. It turns out that when you burn coal, it produces sulfur dioxide, and that goes into the atmosphere. So the scientists discovered the idea of using the pollutant that they want to stop producing happens to be useful in blocking excess harmful rays of the sun. So if I have this right, they want to stop burning coal because it pollutes the atmosphere with sulfur dioxide, only to plan to add sulfur dioxide to the atmosphere that they just eliminated it from. And you think the anti-vax rumors are conspiracy theorists? This is a whole new form of stupid. A scientist who was interviewed as a pro-pollute the air by spraying sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere was quoted to say, the sulfur is already being emitted from the burning of fossil fuels. It's causing environmental damage and is already killing between 10 and 20 million people a year due to respiratory illness, he said. So, that's the way we already live, he said. He is insane. The motto of current scientists is let's kill the people to save the to save the planet. Look it up. If you think I'm crazy, this is real. Get your gas mask ready. Just imagine the future. We will have electric cars burning in our garages and driveways with no way to extinguish them, and then we'll have chemicals falling from the air to poison us. Look, the good news is we no longer need to be afraid of Russian nuclear weapons anymore. Clearly, we need to be afraid of American scientists.